Are you considering converting your property to solar energy? Solar installation is the best option when you already have a solid and functioning roof. Prepare your property for the future by selecting one of our innovative solar installations, propelling you into the 21st century. Going solar gives you freedom and flexibility with your energy due to the solar panels that create electricity to power your entire property. Investing in this system ensures a simple and clean solution for a lifetime. If you generate more energy than what you consume, that extra energy goes directly to a special battery that stores it all for future use, or sell it back to your utility at the right time. This is especially beneficial for seasons with high energy demands or even for emergencies. All of this while being environmentally friendly. If you're looking to install solar, be sure you're working with the right team, because protecting your current roof should be your #1 priority. Take the step towards a high-performance space with the most innovative systems, monitoring energy production and consumption, while taking care of your family and assets. And remember, choosing the right contractor, the right system, and the right warranty are the keys to ensuring the durability of your roof. Everyone says they work with the best materials and the best people, but we measure it. By choosing Mr. Roofing, we guarantee you'll be completely satisfied, not just with the roof or solar installation, but with the whole experience of working with us. Our exceptional service will have you recommending us to your family and friends as the best and safest choice, a gesture that we deeply value. Contact our award-winning team today for a roof that will last a lifetime.